Welcome to LJ's Kitchen. Today I'll be making Choc Deleight Muffins. These are the ingredients: 125 grams of salted butter, 100 grams of dark cooking chocolate, 4 eggs, half a cup of sugar, 3/4 of a cup of plain flour, 1 1/4 teaspoons of baking powder, and for the Turkish Delight, 2 big 55-gram bars would be enough. Step 1. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees for a conventional oven and 160 for fan forced. Step 2. Heat your butter and your dark chocolate in a microwave on high for about 45 seconds. Then stir until smooth. Once cooled, mix in the 4 eggs, sugar, plain flour, and baking powder. So just make sure that all your eggs are mixed in. There's no flour, it's just staying around. Make sure you get everything from your sides to make sure it's well combined. Spoon 2/3 of the mixture into 12 lined muffin pans. Place half a piece of Turkish Delight in each tray. Then add the rest of the remaining mixture on top. Okay, so after that you just roughly chop up some more fries Turkish Delight pieces, then just sprinkle them on top before baking. So I'm just gonna get some little pieces, just sprinkle them on top like that. Might put another one. Just gonna put some on there, few to 4. Then place the muffins in the oven to bake for 20 to 25 minutes. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you next week.